I got a box, and I kind of already opened it. But before what's inside, I need some coffee. I think I have 3 coffees a day, but you guys complain that I'm not making enough coffee in these videos. Before we talk about what's in this box, let's make some coffee. A cappuccino, to be exact. Let go. We're running a little low. Breville, grinder, Breville, infuser. Great combination. Today's beans, brought to you by Hex. Listen to this. Airtight. Fellow Atmos canister. That's how I fill up the water. One-handed, baby. Woo! Now we pull the shot. Cheers, mate. Not too bad for behind the camera. A little foamy though. Kobe! Oh yeah, baby. Pay no attention to this sewing. I'm putting together merch. Check it in the links. It should be available by now. Let's get back to why you're watching this thing for this Gullinbursti sweatshirt. Let's go unbox this thing. Before we get into this thing, Gullinbursti is associated with Ugly Bros, specializing in motorcycle protective gear that kind of fits in with your normal everyday gear. What we're looking at today is a sweatshirt, but Ugly Bros is the people that puts on my Kevlar lined pants that I normally wear day to day while riding the bike. These are the Featherbed Ks, impact resistant foam in the hips and in the knees, but this is a denim with Kevlar lining in the butt, quads, and they look good, and I always get compliments on them. I did a video on them, it's up here. Ugly Bros already puts out a great product, specialized motorcycle jeans. Let's go. Hey! We're talking about Gullinbursti, and I had no idea what the heck Gullinbursti actually was. I didn't know what Ugly Bros was, but Ugly Bros is the opposite of good-looking bros, I guess. Did I hear a laugh? The name Gullinbursti comes from Norse mythology as the name of mechanical boar made of golden bristles. That's why their logo is gold. Anyway, let's dive into their gear. We got a box of goodies, another hat, pads. Set those aside for now. Kind of already opened up the first hoodie, but I want to start with the one I like the most. This is what I wanted to start with. So this is what I wanted to start with. This is the package that you get it in. Little Gullinbursti logo on the back. Snap top bag. Ooh. So this may just look like your standard hoodie. Screen printed logo on the front. This stuff is soft. Actually, you got like a waffle feeling hoodie, kind of like a long underwear style. Gullinbursti logo on the front left. But first impressions, this is so soft. Come feel this. Feels pretty good.
It is like a waffle shirt.
Yeah, it is kind of like the shirt you always wear.
It's like a workout material.
You heard it first, it feels like a workout material, but it's not. It's actually Raxton. Now, what is Raxton? So Raxton is a single infused dyed Kevlar. So you normally see Kevlar, which is yellow interior lining like on the Akin hoodie. Let me go get that. So this is the Akin hoodie. I did a video and I'll pop it here. And on the inside, behind the mesh, you actually have a second layer than the exterior. That's the Kevlar lining. So what we're talking about here is different. So these are apples and oranges. So this is a single layer Kevlar infused fabric. And I'm actually surprised how soft this is. Partnered with Dupont. So Dupont is the company behind Kevlar. Partnered with Dupont, which is the company that makes Kevlar. Raxton actually feels like straight cotton. No lie, this is different than the lining that's in the inside of these Ugly Bros. It actually stretches, I mean, from the outside without even trying it on, it looks like it breathes. Breathes better than some of the N95 masks out there. All right, let me pop this on. I'm sweating. So this is a size medium, 5'11", probably 155 after not working out through quarantine. But normally 165, this is a medium. Ooh, just noticed something. Your pockets are zip. That's pretty smart for a motorcycle. Phone in there and it doesn't fall out. It's a continuous pocket, goes through the stomach. I'd say overall it fits pretty standard. It's not huge. It fits a little snug. What are your thoughts?
I do, yeah. That didn't hear me.
It hurt ya! So I think overall it fits like a standard sweatshirt that you would go buy at the store. It actually feels better, I'd say. So the fit of it is pretty snug, and talking with the guys, the snugger, more normal fit is meant to go underneath other apparel. So if you want to wear a jacket, this should be able to fit under there pretty snugly. Let me pop on a jacket. So it does fit underneath a jacket pretty well. The only thing I haven't mentioned is there are pockets for this stuff. So this is impact foam, impact resistant foam. This actually comes separate. This is $30 extra. I would say pick this up if you are getting the sweatshirt. It is made to fit this exact armor. Let's pop on the gray one. All right, so what you notice, this is actually their zip up original hoodie. And as you can tell, before I zipped it up, you can see a little bit of that yellow. So this fits exactly like the other one. The only difference being it's a zip up, doesn't have the screen print, has the logo on the arm. Same, actually a little bit different hood because it doesn't have that waffle inside of the hood. This is a medium, just like the other one. It's just as well. Psst, babe, did you see that on the back of the arm? Ooh, a little subtle branding. And there's a pocket. What? And there's a pocket in the back? Oh man. Thought of everything. You can hide your phone, your wallet, your keys, your wife, your kids, anything back there. Okay, so what do you guys think? Gullinbursti coming on the scene, pretty new products. I don't think any YouTube videos exist out there about these. Tell me what you think. Compare it to the Akin Moto hoodie. Kind of a little bit of apples and oranges. This is a single layer. Feels like cotton. The Akin is cotton, but with a Kevlar lining. I'm anxious to test these out. This is just some first impressions. I saw Moto had this, so I had to get my hands on these. I'll see you guys in the next one. We need some writing videos. Oh, and P.S. I didn't record a video. Actually, I recorded a video. The audio was messed up. It was so loud. This YouTube thing's hard, so we'll figure it out. Ah! I just died.
Perfect timing. Let's go.
I have not been having luck. Camera died. As I was saying, peace out. But been having problems lately with all the videos. Lost 2 of them. That's why you didn't catch a video the last couple weeks. But we'll be back with more content. See you in the next one. Peace. Gullinbursti. Coffee time. Almost broke the Chemex.